Every move squeezes me. The cartilage that protects me is worn down. There's something like glass that speeds up the erosion, and the friction hurts constantly. The fluid inside, it's dried up. Even walking feels impossible. I need help, but I don't want surgery pain.
I understand you well. After reviewing the initial findings, I see clear symptoms of osteoarthritis. But at this stage, we don't yet have a complete picture of the extent or severity. Dear, to ensure that we make the best decisions, we need to carry out further investigations by X-ray or CT scan. These necessary steps will allow my team to accurately assess the degree of damage and guide us in choosing the most appropriate and effective treatment protocol. After reviewing your X-ray, I can confirm that you have moderate osteoarthritis that's causing you pain and stiffness, which explains the symptoms you've been experiencing.
Now I'm kind of scared. He mentioned something about joint damage and maybe needing surgery down the road. I just don't know what to expect. Is there anything I can do besides pain meds? I don't want to end up in a wheelchair.
I want you to know that you're not alone, and there are effective ways we can manage this. Osteoarthritis means there's significant wear and tear in the joint, but it doesn't mean you're out of options. Far from it. Our goal now is to reduce your pain, improve your mobility, and help you keep doing the things you enjoy.
Doctor, I need to ask, honestly, is there really any hope for this? I mean, with how bad the pain is, I just feel like it's only going to get worse. Is there any treatment that can really help?
You already tried managing it with painkillers, but since you're not getting significant relief, the next appropriate step, let's summon the hero, OptiVisc 90. It's an injection made from hyaluronic acid that helps lubricate the joint, reduce inflammation, and can provide longer-term pain relief compared to oral medications. It's a minimally invasive procedure, and many patients with moderate OA find it beneficial. Of course, we'll monitor your response and adjust the treatment plan as needed.
Can it really ease the pain?
Absolutely. 36% reduce the pain and 39% improve your mobility. It's guaranteed. OptiVisc restores joint lubrication. It reduces friction, the source of your pain. It's not just masking symptoms. It actually helps your joint move better over time.
So, I'll be able to walk again without hurting?
Gradually, yes. But we should start soon, before the condition gets worse.
All right. Let's begin this journey.